So I've been using the Klover app for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the Klover app. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of the Klover app. One of the features that sets Klover apart is its points program, where you can earn points by completing tasks like answering surveys, scanning receipts, or watching ads. These points can be used to reduce fees or boost your cash advance limit. However, some users may find these tasks tedious, especially if they want faster access to more significant cash amounts. But let's be real, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. There are some cons to consider. For instance, the app's primary drawback is its limited eligibility. Like, you must have a regular direct deposit, and it doesn't work for people who are self-employed or unemployed. Additionally, if you're looking for more significant cash advances, other apps like Dave or Empower may offer higher limits or more flexible terms. Plus, the app requires you to share personal financial data in exchange for services, which could be concerning for some users. On the plus side, Klover includes basic budgeting tools through its Klover Plus feature, available for $3.99 a month. It offers personalized financial advice, spending tracking, and even credit monitoring. This is a nice add-on for those looking to improve their financial habits, but it's not essential for using the app's core features like cash advances. With Klover, you can get up to $200 without a credit check, fees, or interest, making it an appealing option for people who need a short-term financial buffer. However, while Klover has no upfront fees, instant cash advances come with a cost ranging from $1.99 to $16.78, depending on how fast you need the funds, which might not be ideal for everyone. Overall, Klover is a solid option for those who need small, fee-free cash advances and don't mind sharing data in return. However, if you're looking for larger lumps or faster service, you might want to explore other alternatives. But as always, do consider speaking with an expert before making any decisions. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on this heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.